Welcome to my channel. I'm Valencia and Niece, and this is, what's your name? This is Carter. This is Carter. And also we have
it's Kensley.
and Kensley. And in today's video,
Yay! She loves when we're doing the video, the punch juice. She does, and she loves, and when she introduced, Mommy introduced me, she said, Kensley.
yes, she likes that. But what are we making in today's video, Kensley?
Hot chocolate bombs.
So today we're making
Hot chocolate bombs.
So we actually picked up this cute little kit from Walmart. Walmart actually gave the cheat code. I feel like Walmart is literally providing
Everything.
with so many holiday fun ideas, because I also picked up this. I was gonna do the pretzels. They have like so many cute kits, but I feel like this is gonna make everything easier. It literally has everything that you need, and we can unbox it actually. What do you think, Kensley?
Yeah, let's unbox it right
So
now.
it comes in the box like this. It's great value. Yes, it comes with us everything down to the silicone mold. I purchased this snowball maker at Target to do because I wanted to make hot chocolate bombs, but I ended up finding this kit, and the kit has everything that I need. So I won't be using this snowball maker. What we made this because I do have other stuff to make hot chocolate bombs as well. And then it also comes with your melting wafers, your hot chocolate, and even your mini marshmallows. And it comes with little decorating icing as well. Got these baking chips to go inside.
If you've been to Walmart,
yes, like literally, guys, when I say Walmart has such great holiday things, they have hot chocolate toppers. We're gonna put those inside.
and
We also
it's
have,
so cute. I really want it.
yes, Kensley likes it because it has the little hot chocolate mug at the top.
Yeah,
So
it
cute.
for my Barbie dolls.
Yeah, I don't know how we would do that, but we'll talk about that. Anyways, but yes, those are the hot chocolate toppers. Also, this is edible glitter because we want to do us a little mocktail, because I don't drink, and of course my kids don't. Yeah. And then we also have some white chocolate baking chips.
And we have these chocolate chip cookies.
Yes, and we also have milk chocolate chips. So we're going to be doing using all of those, guys. If you're interested in how this,
make sure you subscribe and like and subscribe for more videos.
Listen to the kid and stay tuned to see how this kit works, guys. So
We're gonna need vegetable oil.
you need vegetable oil. You're gonna need this kit, and you're also gonna need your milk of choice, and that is it. Like, this kit literally has everything that you need. And like I said, I did have a few extra things. Like, I have icing. If it focuses, have icing. I have red icing.
And we
also have like our glitter
icing.
left over from Halloween, but I think that's still good because we never used them.
And we have another one.
And we have another red one, which we're gonna use.
It's like a pinkish, reddish.
Yeah, it's pink. We're actually gonna use these for another recipe as well. I mean, it's like, I promise y'all, this is not a sponsored video, but Walmart hit me up, because everything down to our cups came from Walmart. Like, that's crazy. So
why do they have these beautiful cups?
Hit my line, okay?
They have these beautiful cups.
Yes, really beautiful coffee mugs. Anyways, so without further ado, you guys, literally stay tuned, because this is gonna be good, right, Kensley?
Yeah.
Listen to the child. Okay, so here I'm adding the chocolate into the bowl along with the vegetable oil, and then I'm gonna pop it into the microwave for maybe a minute and a half. And like I stop it every 15 seconds, like it says on the box, just to see how it's melting and to stir it. And this is the consistency that it should be in order to put it into the molds. It looks so delicious. Kensley wanted to eat it. I did too, child. But yeah, this is what it should look like when it comes out. Okay, so here I'm just gently and carefully putting the chocolate into the molds. Like, you have to be really careful because you don't want any of the red to show, and you don't want to make it too thick either. So yeah, it's just kind of eyeing it, and I actually made these a little too thin, even though I was really careful, y'all. Like, it took me a few minutes just to get this done, but yeah, I tried. But yeah, this was such a fun experience. I love this kit, and I'm gonna actually make some more tomorrow for the entire family. So I'm really excited. This was a test run, and I will be using this, like, going for it. The girls loved this, so yeah. All right, so this is just pretty much a continuation of us just putting um that chocolate in, and then Kensley's gonna do hers, and then I popped them into the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. It only says you need 5 minutes, but I put it in longer because I was also decorating the Christmas tree and getting it all pretty, and that video could be up, or it's right behind this one. I'm not sure what order they're gonna come up, but yeah, so yeah, that's what I did, and these turned out pretty good, and I'm excited. Like I said, when I tell you popping these out of the mold is the equivalent of putting a newborn baby down into their bed. Do you hear me? I was so nervous to do this, but they turned out okay. Like I said, this was my test run. Look, and like, the silicone mold helps it become so shiny and so perfect. Look at that. I was so happy about that. Like I said, in some places I didn't use enough chocolate, but like I said, this is also a test run. So yeah, I'm just taking these out of the mold, and I'm about to put them together. All right, so now that we have those out of the mold, I'm just going to put my cocoa mix in them, the sprinkles, and all of the cute stuff that I want, and also the marshmallows. So when it explodes, you get all of the little goodness inside of the cocoa molds, of the cocoa bombs. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm just gonna bring my hot plate and start melting these together, and I do seal them with extra melted chocolate. Okay, so now that I've sealed them, I do let them sit in the refrigerator because, like I said, I was decorating the tree as well. So I let them sit in the refrigerator for maybe 15 minutes so that they could seal, and then that's when we did the decorating. Okay, usually I use oat milk, but this is what I had, so we used almond milk instead for the milk. All right, so this is what we're about to decorate. They're out of the refrigerator. So there you see Kensley with her glitter because she's a glitter girl, like duh. And so we're just decorating, and we're about to go ahead and try them. And yeah. All right, this is Kensley's taste test. Do you like it?
Oh no, my cup.
It's so good. This is Carter's taste test.
Oh
Oh no, it's hot, isn't it? It's hot chocolate, Carter. It's hot, Carter. It's really hot.
no. Oh well, hi.
Is it good? Is it good? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so cute. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm oily now from the lights. It made me sweat. So I hope you enjoyed this video and try out this hot chocolate bomb kit. Like, it's really great. And we'll see you in the next video, guys. Have a good one.